If you've been consuming self-improvement for years, and your life hasn't changed, this video is about you. Because motivation didn't fail you. You misunderstood the game. You watched the videos, saved the quotes, promised yourself you'd start tomorrow. But tomorrow never came. Because watching feels productive, and doing feels uncomfortable. Self-improvement sold you a lie. That motivation comes first. That confidence is required. That one breakthrough changes everything. It doesn't. Motivation became entertainment. Inspiration replaced discipline. You didn't change. You just felt like you were changing. And feeling productive is the most dangerous trap there is. Here's the truth. Motivation is unreliable. Confidence is a result, not a requirement. And clarity comes after action, not before. Real change starts with acceptance. Not positivity. Not pretending. Just this sentence. I'm not where I want to be. And this is my responsibility. That's not weakness. That's control. In 2026, one income is risky. One skill is fragile. If your job disappeared tomorrow, would you have something people would pay for next week? Spreadsheets, writing, editing, sales. Boring skills quietly pay rent. No one talks about the lonely part. The days with no applause. The nights where progress feels invisible. That's where most people quit. And where real freedom is built. So here's what you do. Tonight, write down one skill. Protect 1 hour tomorrow. Remove one distraction. Repeat. You don't need more motivation. You need fewer lies. Stop watching others win. And start becoming dangerous. With consistency.